Dear First Love, where do I even begin? Well, for starters, we met way back in 2002, but nothing really happened until 2010. We were 13. We were just kids who kinda sorta fell in love with each other. And it wasn't a normal type of love. It was a toxic, complicated, tragic love. And it lasted for years. I mean, years. And partially till this day. And let me tell you, it wasn't a healthy relationship. Let's just say I lost count on how many times you fucked me over and broke my heart. I won't go into it, but the shit I went through with you, you couldn't even last 5 seconds going through what I did for almost 6 years. And that should tell you something. No matter how many times you hurt me, I never gave up. But God forbid I ever did something you did to me, you're ready to walk out that door and never look back. When you truly love and care about someone, you don't just give up. You can't. And that's the difference between me and you. After all this time, I never gave up. I would be lying if I said I never thought about it. There's been so many times where I wanted to be done. I wanted to walk away. I didn't want to be in this situation anymore. But something inside of me couldn't. I couldn't be done and I didn't walk away. I've been through hell and back with you. But in the back of my mind, I know this isn't healthy and this isn't what I want. But the feelings I have for you are so strong that I think it overrides reality. And what I'll never understand is everything I want in a relationship is not you and will never be you. But I guess I want to be with you so badly. Yeah, I don't know, it doesn't make sense to me either. I guess a part of me secretly wants you to be what I want, but you're not. You're just you, and you will never change. And I'm not saying I'm perfect either, because I'm far from it. I've made plenty of mistakes. I guess what I'm trying to get at is, I'm sorry I ever loved you. I'm sorry I ever cared about you. I'm sorry for always being there even when you pushed me away. I'm sorry for any of the times I hurt you. I'm sorry I never gave up on you. I'm sorry I wanted us to work out so bad. I'm sorry I ever fell in love with you. I wanted it to be you so badly. I really did. But this is not healthy, and this is not a way to live. I guess when you mix fire and fire, it creates an explosion, and not a good one either. And I don't know if you really truly love me, because you don't treat the people you love like you have treated me. You don't destroy the people you love. And all I ever did was love you unconditionally. But I will not let you hurt me again. I might not have been your first love, but you were mine. No matter how much pain and hurt you caused me, I always saw the good in you, and I always loved you. And one day you'll regret pushing me away and not treating me like you should have, because one day you'll realize what you lost. A person can only take so much, and it's my turn to make myself happy again. It's my turn to live my life the way I want to. Sincerely, the girl who always loved you.